Hello everyone. In this video, I will discuss the assignments and especially the procedure for submission of assignments along with some attachments like pictures or documents in different formats by students. Let's start with the teacher's interface, and here you can see there is a class named demonstration, and in this class the teacher has posted some things like in the subject classwork there is a chapter titled chapter 1. Then there is subject assessment where there is a Google form to which the children will respond by answering. This is an assignment. And we have subject homework/assignment. It is again a type of assignment with simple instructions. Now let's go to the student's interface. For this, we will open Google Classroom app. As you can see from here, it is dummy student who is enrolled to the class named demonstration. Now let's open the class. Open the classwork tab. Now click on subject assessment and then click on the up arrow for your work, and here you can write the private comments or you can simply mark the assignment as done, or you can click on add attachment in order to submit the material created by you, which is stored in your computer or your device in digital format. Now click on add attachment, and from the menu which appears you can attach the files existing on the Google Drive, or you can provide a link to online resource, or you can upload a file which is stored in digital format in your device. You can take a photo, record a video, or create a new document, presentation, or a spreadsheet file, or even a new PDF which will allow you to draw the things on a screen. And when you save this file, it will be attached as a PDF. Now let's remove this file and try adding something else, for which I will be using the camera feature in order to scan a document and upload it live as an assignment. It is quite simple. Simply adjust the camera settings and click the picture. Tap on the tick mark and the file is saved and attached in the form of a picture. You can now add a public comment visible to the whole class, or you can also come back and add another private comment which is visible only to your teacher. And finally, when you are done with everything, you can tap on hand in order to submit the assignment. Now let's go to the subject homework/assignment section. Since this is also an assignment, so you have all the options that you worked with earlier. That means you can add the public comment as well as a private comment, and you can send attachments also. But this time we will first upload the documents to the Google Drive so that we have a particular file dedicated to a particular assignment or a project or a chapter, and then we will add it to the assignment here. Now minimize it and open Google Drive. Make sure that you are logged in with your own Gmail account. Tap on plus and select folder option. Give your folder an appropriate name and tap on create. Now open the folder and again tap on plus symbol and then tap on scan. This opens the camera, and now you can position the document appropriately and click a snap of it. Then tap on tick mark. Now you can use the different options like making the picture black and white or a colorful one, or you can use the crop handles to resize the document frame. And when you are done, you can tap on done. Now you can again tap on the plus symbol at the bottom left corner and repeat the whole procedure again for adding more pages to the same scanned document. Now save the file with a meaningful and easy to remember name, because this name will be required when you are searching for the file from the drive. Tap on Save to save the file, and depending upon your mobile settings, you may need to tap the file again to force it use the mobile data for uploading the file to the drive. Once it is uploaded, minimize the drive or close the drive and go back to the Google Classroom application. Now again tap on Drive and then select your file from the folder where you saved it. Now, since the file is already uploaded online, so it will be attached quickly. And you can finally tap on Hand in to submit your work. Now let's see how the things will be accessed by the teachers. After the login, we tap on Subject Assessment section first and then tap on View Assignment. Tap on the student name, and from here you can access the material shared by the student. Tap on the material and you can see it. Now we will see the homework/assignment section. We again tap on View Assignment and then again on the student name and then the material which is attached. From the upper right corner Options button, we can try downloading the file and we can keep it for record. The same features are accessible from the laptop also. The students will require the mobile and the drive application or any other method of capturing the pictures and saving it to the drive. Thank you.